Picture yourself in the 2021 Kia Telluride. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 65,000 miles on the odometer. This handsome and versatile Telluride is ready to help you explore your world in comfort and confidence. From its standard suite of driver assistance tech to its 3-row seating layout to its firm ride and driver-centered cockpit, this midsize SUV delivers impressive capability and upscale style. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: heated steering wheel, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, sun, moon roof, navigation system, keyless entry, hands-free liftgate. Feel pampered and prepared for whatever the road has in store in this capable Telluride. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.